Wow. Big. Well, and you think all the stuff this size is up there floating in orbit right now. Incredible.
I knew my capability. 27 would have been.
And they're all laid out in the configuration of the actual thing too. Wow.
Appreciation of how big that thing is.
Mm-hmm. The shuttle mock-ups are still here. I'm surprised. They've got all the station emblems on the side. What do you think? See the cupola. This thing's recording. I'm gonna let you take this for a second. Let me get a picture.
Mira, ahí está la cama.
That's amazing.
Please make room for people coming up the stairs. I cannot start this tour unless everyone is here.
I'm sorry. That's all right. I'm just going to get up with her.
¿Qué va a decir algo?
You're fine.
Probably are about the size of a plate.
Ahí trabajan.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the astronaut training facility. What you are seeing here is one of the largest classrooms in use of our astronauts, scientists, and engineers. In addition to the activities you see here in the High Bay Area, the scientists and engineers are working behind the scenes to keep the space program current and moving forward. They are planning and developing new hardware along with training procedures, which then will be used by astronauts in various mock-ups you see down below, preparing to venture into space. Directly in front of us are the mock-ups and trainers of the International Space Station. Among these include the living quarters, lab modules, storage modules, and an airlock that allows our astronauts to exit the International Space Station for spacewalk. The ISS is a partnership of 16 nations, which are the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada. The ISS has been the most politically complex space exploration program ever undertaken. To your left, you'll see a large black area. This is the precise air-bearing floor. It allows our astronauts to work in two-dimension, frictionless environment as they would in space. The system allows our astronauts to easily move objects weighing up to 10 tons. At this time, we'll be heading to our second stop, so please follow me.
See the orbiter banners? Check out the EMUs out there. Yeah, you can see they started disassembling the big one. No, the aft end of it.
Go down here.
Yeah, that one's going to Seattle. Wow. Yeah, it's in pieces already.
What is it called?
Yeah, see the tail? No mess pods on the ground. Yeah.
Ahí saliste.
Rescatar.
They've got the Apollo 1 emblem on the end. See, I forget that they had a robotic arm in here.
Sure enough.
But see, you think about it, this is the actual size of a space shuttle. Yeah, they're huge.
Tell me why the field is to our right.
Why what?
The field of stars is to our right. It's flying that way. In the direction of the space. The field of stars is always closest to the forward direction.
Okay.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in this area you will see some of the mock-ups that astronauts use for training and space shuttle missions. Directly in front of us is the Full Fuselage Trainer, or FFT. This is a full-scale mock-up of the space shuttle orbiter, but does not include the wings as they are not needed for training purposes. To your right and behind the FFT are two nose portion of the space shuttle orbiters. These are massive structures of the crew compartment trainers, or CCT. These CCTs can be rotated to both vertical and horizontal positions for launching and landing procedures and emergency escape procedures. Both the CCT and the FFT are considered high-fidelity mock-ups, exact replicas of the actual orbiters. Since the shuttle is retired now, these mock-ups will now be given to various museums to make room for more ISS module and for the Orion project. The Orion project will serve as an exploration vehicle that will carry up to 4 astronauts into deep space, and it will provide an emergency airborne capability during the climb to orbit, to sustain the crew during space travel and provide safe re-entry from deep space return velocities. The primary mission will be to carry humans into planets such as Mars and other celestial bodies such as asteroids. These new systems is designed to further our research and exploration of the unknown solar system. The goal is for the private industry to take on the task of transportation to the ISS and Earth orbit, while allowing NASA to concentrate on the Orion and the voyage beyond.